Fletcher here, and welcome to the Everything Guide to Learning to Play Guitar. Before we get started, can I ask you please to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube page, really help me grow my online business. And if you've got a moment, just check out all my social media. There's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, as well as my website. The links are all down there in the description. If you need a little friendly reminder of everything that we've done so far in the Everything Guide to Learning to Play Guitar, then you can follow the link up there in the corner and it will take you to the playlist for everything that we've been through. So we're starting a brand new section in this video. We're doing tabulature, combining the tabulature and the chords to get songs that sound that little bit more accurate to how they really are. All the sheets that accompany every one of these videos is available direct from me. If you head over to my website, the link is down there in the description. I think it's really important, the further down the road of the Everything Guide to Learning Guitar, the further down the road you go, the more important it is that you do get those sheets, because you do need that visual accompaniment to go alongside what I'm saying. If you're a student of mine, either in school or over Zoom, then you will get those sheets automatically. So if you're watching this video, then you should already have that sheet. If you're just watching me out there in internet land, then head over to my website where you can download those sheets. If you are still unfamiliar with what tabulature is, then you can find the dedicated learning how to read tabulature video right there in the corner. I definitely advise you to have a look at that one. So let's get to it. Okay, so what we're taking a look at today is the huge hit single, Another One Bites the Dust by Queen. Before we get into it though, this is the final song that you're doing of this section, so well done on getting this far. It's often credited as being Queen's largest selling single. You know, forget Bohemian Rhapsody, really. 1980's Another One Bites the Dust was a worldwide smash, estimated to have sold up to sort of 7 million copies. It's been sampled many times by various different hip-hop artists and stuff, and it's featured in every sporting event that's ever been played anywhere ever. What it brings to the table, again, we're doing this idea of moving a shape forward. In the bridge and the outro, we have this section where we have finger fret 3 and fret 5. So again, moving that hand forward, seriously this time, in that you would do finger 1 on fret 3, finger 3 on fret 5, and have those shapes like that. Like so. It is a quick little movement of things, so again, just take your time, slow it down, and get used to it. What we're bringing in, and this is something that we've done before actually, we talked, when we did Showdown by ELO, there it is, we talked about staccato playing, which is where you play a note but you don't let it ring. So the difference between this and this is the staccato. You're not letting it ring. And we have this in the riff of Another One Bites the Dust. We don't go, we go like that. So we have that staccato feel in the main riff. Pops up every now and then. Watch out for the dot on the note. Looks like this, and that tells you that the note is played staccato. The other little thing that might just cause you a little bit of weird head scratching is we get this really nice, very funky, very chic, very chic-esque guitar. I think it's supposed to be chic-esque. This guitar strumming, which might just catch you out a little bit. Some quite high bar chords. We've got an E minor bar chord there. We have an A minor and the G sharp minor too. So they just watch out for it, really. That sort of thing, you know. A quick little maneuver from those chords. Again, it's like deja vu. Practice it slowly. And you will potentially. So thanks for watching. Please leave me some nice comments. Please check out all my social media, my website down there in the description. And we'll see you next time, boys and girls. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.